Good morning, children. Today I will teach Q6 a new commands, that is go to statement. Okay, go to statement. You have to learn what is the function of go to the statement. Go to statements, it will be function is it goes direct to the statement in a particular program. Okay, it goes to the direct program. Direct statements mean if you give one condition, it will not read, not look out the another program. The condition whatever you will give, it will go to the directly there. Okay, suppose I am giving one example. In our school, you know there 4 houses are there: red, green, blue, yellow. Okay. Suppose one new student came. Yeah, you came. I say you go. You can see that the 4 houses are there standing. But if I say you go to the blue house, so what you will do? You will not look to the others. You will find the where is the blue house and you will go to the there. Directly you will go to that there. Means this is the go to statement. Okay? You will not read another one. Okay? One more example I am saying. There are in your home, your cupboard, you see the 4 slabs are there. That if I say you bring the math book, yeah, bring the computer book. Any one book I say bring the computer book, what to do? You will not go to the another one. You will directly the where is the computer, that one you will bring. So this is the functions to the go to statement. Okay? I am showing to you one example, one program just regarding the go to statements. Clear? Now look at follow to this one. Suppose I am writing here. We know the one program whenever we will start CLS obviously. Now I am writing here print St. Paul's School. Okay. So this thing is very easy. If I write this one, so it will display the St. Paul's School. It is very easy. You are thinking what is the meaning of this one? Very easy. But look at it here. Here I wrote go to 7A. Okay. Go to 7A. And down I wrote print this one. I wrote print Rampurhat. Next I wrote print Birbhum. Okay. Then I wrote here 7A. Like this sign. Just follow it here. I have written here St. Paul's School. Go to 7A. Then print Rampurhat. Print Birbhum. Then 7A. In 7A what I wrote here? Here I have written print. Here Devadrita Shaha. Okay. And next I wrote print Sharia Sultana. Okay. Now I wrote 8. Just look at here. I have written one program. Print St. Paul's School. Go to 7A. Print Rampurhat. Print Birbhum. 7A. print Devadrita Saha, print Shania Sultana. This program I have written. What will be output will come? What is the output it will come? I am writing here output. Just look at here. So what to do? First of all, we will go to this one, read print St. Paul School. Means it will display here. We know that's print St. Paul School. Next, what it has written? Go next line. Go to 7a. See 7a. It has written. Go to 7a. So where it is the 7a? Next line. Print is there. Next again print. But 7a here. So it will come directly this place. Okay. So 7a. If directly it will not read of these two lines. It will go to the group of 7a here. Okay. So 7a, what is that? Next line it has written print Devadrita Saha. So it will display Devadrita Saha. Next, print Shania Sultana. Shania Sultana. Next, end. So the complete program will come out from the this program that has completed. So you can see these two things. The display not came, Rampurat and Birbhum. Why? I told her that this go to statement, the function of like this, it will go to the directly the condition of the program, directly statement to the program. Go to 7a. So it will go to directly there. It will not read, it will not follow to others where it is there. I have written here 7a, so it will be go to the 7a group. What is that? So 7a, after that print, after that this thing, so it has written like that. Okay, so this is the function of go to statement. Okay, so my dear students, I hope you understood of this one. You just write down of this program along with the output. Next day I will show you one more program regarding the go to statement. You will follow. Okay, I hope you understood. You write the program. Okay. Just I am showing to the closer how I have done the program. Just follow it. This is the program. Okay. This everything I have mentioned with the arrow, and this is the output. You can see the output also. Okay. This regarding that program, this the output. I hope you understood of these things. Once again I am saying you will write the program properly. Okay, so thank you.